afternoon and welcome to this special edition of the Humidor Report. Justin here from Beaumont Cigar Club with an event announcement. Most of y'all are probably used to this point that we do a big Drew Estate event every spring, but that did not happen this year. However, we have saved the fun for fall. So coming up Thursday, October 2nd here in Beaumont, and on Friday, October 3rd at our Lake Charles store, we will be having our fall Drew Estate event. And we have something very new, little bit of bittersweet on this one, as unfortunately we will not be joined by the one and only Jenny Lynn that you've heard me rave about, rant about, and absolutely adore. But our beloved Jenny Lynn Hunter is moving up the totem pole at Drew Estates. She is now, I believe it is the West Coast Regional Manager or something. It's not the exact title, bear with me. But we want to extend a huge congratulations to Jenny Lynn. We've loved working with her down here over the years. We've had so many wonderful events, and we will miss her dearly, but we're wishing her well, and we're very excited for her in her new capacity. However, that does mean we will have a new Drew event host this time. Our new rep by the name of Sam Ventura. Now, Sam's been in the game a long time. I believe he started in the cigar biz with Zycar a number of years ago. He spent, I want to say, the last 10 years now probably with Crux Cigars, and he will be taking the place of our dear Jenny Lynn. So Sam Ventura, that's our guy. Sam's going to be here joining us for this event. We're happy to have him. And again, that date here, we're going to be October 2nd here in Beaumont, and we're going to be Friday, October 3rd in Lake Charles. So put it on your calendars now. Mark the dates. We do have some cool swag, some stuff they'll be featuring for the event. The more you buy, the more free goods you get, and the more free cigars you get as it goes. So more details to come. Stay tuned. We just want to make sure you get the knowledge now. Put it on your calendar. Get that date locked in. It's going to be October 2nd here, October 3rd, Drew Estate at Cigar Club Beaumont and Cigar Club Lake Charles. So that's going to wrap us up for this brief edition. Stick around. We got more info on the event and other cool things coming at you here on the Humidor Report. So stick around. More coming at you soon, and we'll see you at the club.